Mangrove forests are unique ecosystems found in coastal regions, characterized by salt-tolerant trees and shrubs growing in intertidal zones. They provide critical habitat for a variety of wildlife and play essential roles in coastal protection and carbon sequestration. In Pondicherry, Puducherry, located on the southeastern coast of India, the Pichavaram Mangrove Forest is one of the most well-known and significant mangrove ecosystems. Here are some key points about the Pichavaram Mangrove Forest. Pichavaram Mangrove Forest is situated between the Velar and Kolarun estuaries, approximately 60 kilometers from Pondicherry. It is one of the largest mangrove forests in India. The forest is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, including numerous species of birds, fish, and crustaceans. It is particularly famous for bird watching, with species like egrets, herons, and kingfishers being commonly spotted. Visitors can explore the mangrove forest through guided boat tours, which offer an immersive experience of navigating through the narrow water channels and observing the unique ecosystem up close. Ecotourism initiatives aim to promote conservation.